Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can get paid instant payouts on Stripe. So let's jump right in. First, go to stripe.com and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, click on the settings icon, usually located in the top right or left side panel. Under Account Settings, click on Business, and then select Bank Accounts and Currencies. Here, you'll find your payout schedule. You can set this to daily payouts if you'd like. But if you're trying to enable instant payouts, there are a few important requirements to keep in mind. Stripe only allows instant payouts for accounts that have been active for at least 60 days and have processed over $5,000 in total sales. If you haven't hit those thresholds yet, the instant payout option won't be available just yet. But once you qualify, you'll see the option to enable instant payouts. After turning that on, every time you make a sale, the money can be transferred instantly to your bank account, no more waiting for standard payout times. This feature can make managing your cash flow much easier.